All right, guys, we were on a VCT strip and wax today for a repeat client. This is a commercial facility in East Alton, Wheeling actually, and we are doing this VCT. We got Noma sweeping now, as you can see all the debris, and we're gonna get stripped down. I put 5 coats of 25% finish on here, and as you guys know, 5 coats at 25% each would be 125% for the win. So yep, we're doing this area. These floors are just beat up. Look at that. But we save floors. Then we got this little area here we're gonna be doing. And of course this area over here. So, all right guys, stay tuned. It's going good, guys. Stripping it out now. She's sucking it up. We haven't done that half yet. Stay tuned. All right, guys, good little update. We just got done stripping this floor. As you can see all the residue. Now we're gonna neutralize it with a 7 pH neutral cleaner. And then after that, we're gonna be ready to apply our first coat of finish. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I haven't done this yet. I just got done doing half of this. Look at that. That's the first coat. It's gonna look absolutely stunning. Wow, stay tuned. This floor's gonna look good, guys. Check it out. That's just the first coat. Amazing. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm applying the second coat now, as you can see. Look at that. It's looking good. Look at that, guys. Looks like glass. Amazing. All right, stay tuned. Absolutely amazing. Looks like glass. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, that's the 4th coat. Look at that. 1 more to go, and we'll be all finished. All right, guys, that's 4 coats. We got 1 more to go, and all will be well. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, just got done. That is 5 coats. Thanks for watching. Check it out, guys. All finished up. That is 5 coats of 25%, and all is well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.